Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video! What's up, everyone? Brian Sparky's What's up, everyone? Brian Sparky's Model Salvage. Decided not to start another project, as you see in the thumbnail. No, this one I've actually started this thing years and years and years and years ago, and I put it up on the top shelf. And if it comes from the top shelf, it makes the bottom shelf because I intend to finish it. If it's on the top shelf, I never have any intentions of finishing it. Well, it was on the top shelf. Now all of a sudden it made it to the building table. So obviously this was started way before I started doing YouTube. This up here was done with Elmer's glue. I can't remember how I did that though. I don't know. That looks awesome though. It just stopped. Why I stopped, I don't know. But so I gotta kind of fix that there. That's fine. This is a Moebius kit too, so it's all getting done. I'm not gonna skip out on parts. Why is that frame glossy? You see that? It's like glossy. I don't know. Figure something out there. But yeah, there we go. So I'm basically just starting with the Vallejo environment rust texture. And I'm just dabbing it on areas here that I'm going to want to see the rust. I'll go back later with about 2000 grit and sand a little bit off. But I want this car just looking like it's been sitting for 25, 30 years. So I'm just going to pile it on there, and then when I don't like, I'll sand it, and it'll all kind of come together here at the end. That's what I'm hoping. I'm going to have to use the Tamiya Weathering Master also to kind of match what I did on the front. So yeah. That's about where it's at right now. Got it under the trim there. There's a little patch right there. Some on the back. Some on the sides. Folding a little bit of this up here. I'm just going to make this really dirty right now, and then I'll continue. Model wash. Vallejo. A little bit of wash on there right now. That's where I'm at on it. Oh my God, look at that. I actually completed a motor. It's not the best, but you know, for me, that's pretty damn good. So, yeah, these Moebius kits, I try to complete everything with the Moebius kits. I try not to leave any parts out because these Moebius kits are just so detailed. So, I'm off to the interior now. I had to do something about that frame. It's just too shiny. I think I probably might have sprayed it with some clear and it wasn't the right clear or something. I don't know. So I did the underside of this. It's yeah, I did primer and then did a wash on it. But I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray flat black on it and then go back over it with about a 2000 grit and get all those high points out. And then weather it like that, because I'm not liking this look, but this can be a good base. So that's what I'm going to do with that. Got the motor in, chassis to the interior tub. That don't look too bad. I was going to try and dull down the glossiness on that frame, but I was like, yeah, I'll just go with it. It's all right. So I got the front suspension on. That went together fine. Back, I snapped the ends of the spring, so now I'm having to rig it up. It's not gonna look right when I get it done, but I mean, whatever. That was just, that was dumb. That was stupid! One of those things that happens when you're going too fast and you're trying to rush things and you're not thinking things through, and I ended up snapping the one spring on the one side. And I was like, oh, yeah, all right, I'm going to get this other one in. And I snapped that one too, like within 10 seconds of it. I'm like, okay. We're just going to put this one up for now. I'm going to think this one through before I, want to stomp on it. So that's what I did. See that? See that? I screwed those up. I broke both of those, okay? So I had to pick styrene in there. Styrene in there. Do you see it? Doesn't look that bad. So it's fine, okay? It is totally fine. It'll be okay. It's fine. Got all the glass in. The back window looks like crap. I am horrible at putting windows in that are supposed to look nice. Because I always, I'm just careless. And if it looks like crap, then it ends up looking like crap, right? I always end up making it look like crap. But I'm just trying to... I just can't get the windows right. Ever. Whatever. Tires, everything's on it. Radiator's drying. Got everything else assembled on this. Front looks pretty cool. Dropped that light, that one, into the garbage. So I had to pull out another one. So that's the oddball of the lights. Otherwise, it's fine. Several aggravating minutes later. Turn signal bezels on the floor. It's last time I seen it, it's somewhere in that general vicinity. I can't find it. Yeah, it's on the bottom of my shoe. That would be funny if it was on the bottom of my shoe. Found it. literally right under me. I thought it like flung off like that way somewhere. Yay. Almost done. This kit doesn't have the damn mirror in it. It's not even on the instructions. Like, I can't find it on the instructions at all. Okay, so that's actually the antenna that goes in there. And I can't find the antenna either. So, yeah. That is so... See, look at that. Like, I don't get this. So the pictures of the car there, no mirror, no antenna. No mirror, no antenna. Box art. What the hell's that? That would be a mirror. Even on this. Mirror. Mirror. That's the same picture. So it's a mirror. But that side one is just an antenna. It doesn't have either one. Whatever. And that's it. Got everything else on there. Let me turn this thing on for you. Come on. Get on there. There you go. Looks pretty cool. It only took me like 5 or 6 years to do this one. It wasn't something I was like worried about doing. I just like whenever I get to it, I get to it. And I just kept on working on it here and there, and then I finally got it. I started this one way before YouTube. Like way before YouTube. So yeah, that was the other problem too. But that back window looks horrible. I need to learn how to like do windows better. It looks like crap. It's totally fine. So that is finally it for this video. Yeah, that one took a while. I was never really motivated to do it, but the more and more I started doing it, I'm like, all right, it's getting together, and I finally got done. So I don't know. I got one viewer in here, Chris. He's not buying another model until he gets all of his done, and right now he's working on one that he started back in like 1974 or something like that, like 74, 78. Like, what? The last one he did took him 30 years, or 25 years or something like that, yeah. I don't want to get to that bad, like, I want mine done. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?